Did you know that the very thing you ran from can become the only thing standing between someone else and the life you escaped? Marcus spent 7 years rebuilding himself from the ground up. Certified counselor, clean record, a new name and a new school. But one Tuesday morning, he watched a 15-year-old named Darius get handed a phone number on a folded napkin, and Marcus felt his stomach drop. He knew exactly what that napkin meant. He knew because he used to hand them out himself. When he looked up, the man across the parking lot was Jerome, his old lieutenant. The one who remembered Marcus before the transformation, before the prayer, before the second chance. Marcus had two choices: stay quiet and protect the career he bled to build, or use the language of his worst years to rescue a boy who still had time. He chose Darius. He told his supervisor everything that same afternoon. Lost sleep for a month waiting for consequences. But Darius graduated. Sometimes God does not remove your past. He redeems it.